How to fix pull-up for precise seeking problem in YouTube. So if you open up your YouTube application and if you go with a video, for example, I'll be choosing a random video, then here on the upper side, you will have the precise seeking problem, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply go back and go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. And after that, go with the upper right, which has that settings option. Now under settings, what you need to do is just simply scroll down and go with the accessibility option. Tap on it, and here you will have hide player controls. Tap on that and select after 3 seconds. But if you don't get this hide player controls option, then make sure that your accessibility player is turned on. Once you turn on, then you'll be able to tap on it and then choose after 3 seconds. And once you've chosen after 3 seconds, then if you play a video, then the precise seeking will be removed automatically after 3 seconds. So that's how you can fix pull-up for precise seeking problem in your YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.